Hello children, today we are going to do an interesting story in your book, A Young Girl and Her Diary. This story is set in the background of the Second World War. Now we need to know what was the Second World War. The Second World War was a war which engulfed most of the countries of the world. It lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including the great powers, forming two opposite military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. It was a world war in which most of the human fatalities happened. About 70 to 85 million people died due to genocides or due to Holocaust. That is, Holocaust means the killing of the Jews by the Germans. Now let us also find out something about Anne Frank. Anne Frank was born in Frankfurt, Germany in 1929. Anne and her family were Jewish. She was born to Otto and Edith Frank, and she had one older sister named Margaret. When Anne was only 4 years old, she moved to her family to Amsterdam, Netherlands, where she spent her childhood. In this diary, she has written about her experience when she was in hiding from the Nazis in a small apartment, a one-room apartment, which her family shared with another Jewish family. They were in hiding during the period of Holocaust, that is, the period when the Germans were killing the Jews. Now let us come to the story. Here in the picture you can see Anne with her father. During the World War II in Europe, the Nazis of Germany considered the Jews as inferior to them. They wanted to destroy the Jewish people and their culture. As a result, they started sending the Jews to prison camps. Anne was also a Jew. To save herself and her family, Anne, along with her mother Edith, father Otto and sister Margaret, went into hiding in the back room office and warehouse of Anne's father's business. 4 other Jews also hid with them in the small space, and their non-Jewish friends smuggled food and other supplies to them. Here you can see Anne with some of her siblings or friends. You can see her, she is sitting. Here are some of Anne's friends. Now let us proceed with the chapter. Anne Frank was born on 12th June 1929. She began to keep a diary her 13th birthday. That means when she was 13 years old, she kept a diary 12th June 1942. 3 weeks later, they went into hiding. So after she took the diary on her birthday, 13th birthday, that was on 12th June 1942, she started writing in her diary. Anne's family never left their hideout until, unfortunately, the Nazi police discovered them in August 1944. So their family was discovered by the Nazis, and they were then moved to the concentration camp. They were then moved to the concentration camp where Anne's mother died in 1945. Soon afterwards, Anne and her sister also died of an infectious disease. Their father was the only family member who had survived. When Anne's friends found Anne's diary in a hiding place, they gave it to her father, who got it published in 1947. So it is really tragic to know that a small girl who used to pen down her thoughts in her diary soon after was no more, and it was later published by her father. And we will here know about more about her diary. Here you can see a picture of the concentration camps where they used to stay. The place is dirty and many people are staying in the same place, and they do not have proper ways to stay. Proper living space is not provided to them. They are also not given clothes, and improper sanitary conditions, and also they did not get much to eat. So it was a poor state in which they were staying. Anne, who missed the company of her friends, had maintained a diary. Ultimately, the closest friend she had during her tragically short life was a diary. She addressed it as Kitty. It was only to Kitty that she entrusted her innermost thoughts. Anne's thoughts of courage and hope are recorded in her diary. They have inspired millions of readers throughout the world. Here are some excerpts from her diary. On April 5th, 1944, Anne writes, "When I write, I can shake off my cares." Means when she writes her diary, she is, for that moment, she does not have any worry about what is going to happen to her. She can shake off her worry. You can see a page of her diary written in her own handwriting, describing her despair. "I have reached the point where I hardly care whether I live or die. The world will keep on turning without me, and I can't do anything to change events anyway. I'll just let matters take their course and concentrate on studying and hope that everything will be all right in the end." This she wrote on February 3rd, 1944. So here she is telling about her, desire to study more, and maybe she also hopes that everything will be good one day. Another of the excerpts of her diary: "Fine specimens of humanity, those Germans, and to think I am actually one of them. No, that's not true. Hitler took away our nationality long ago. And besides, there are no great enemies on earth than the Germans and the Jews." So she still has faith in humanity, but she also knows that Germans and Jews are enemies. Another excerpt which she wrote on July 15, 1944, on still believing: "It's a wonder I haven't abandoned all my ideals. They seem so absurd and impractical, yet I cling to them because I still believe, in spite of everything, that people are truly good at heart. It's utterly impossible for me to build my life on a foundation of chaos, suffering and death. I see the world being slowly transformed into a wilderness. I hear the approaching thunder that one day will destroy us too. I feel the suffering of millions, and yet when I look up at the sky, I somehow feel that everything will change for the better, and that this cruelty too shall end, that peace and tranquility will return once more." So here I end. Thank you, children.